So ito guys, bilang suporta to kay Boy Tapang. So kami mga kababayan na nandito sa Riyadh, ibig sabihin lang alam namin yung nangyayari dyan sa Pinas. At tuwan-tuwa kami sa pinapakita ni Boy Tapang, pati na rin si Russell. So good luck sa laban ninyo. Tsaka patuloy nyo lang yan. Magandang konsepto. So maghanap pa tayo ng mga babati kay Boy Tapang ng good luck message. So yun guys, hanap pa tayo ng mga kabayan dito. Yeah, Sadiq, do you watch YouTube? Do you watch YouTube?
YouTube?
You know Boy Tapang, the Filipino boxer. Yeah, just say good luck Boy Tapang.
Good luck, Boy Tapang.
Okay. Mudir, do you watch YouTube?
YouTube.
You know there's a boxer in Philippines. He's going to fight tonight. Just say good luck. Aywa.
Good luck, Boy Tapang.
Thank you. Aywa Mudir, Swaya. Do you watch YouTube? Where are you? What country? Bangladesh? There's a boxer in Philippines. He's fighting now. Can you say good luck Boy Tapang?
Good luck, Boy Tapang.
Aywa, my friend. Sadiq. Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch.
You watch?
Yes.
You know there's a boxer in Philippines. He's
Boxer
going to
Philippines?
he's
Yes.
going to fight tonight.
Yes, okay.
And then can you say good luck Boy Tapang?
Good luck. Bye, Baba.
Boy Tapang.
Boy, Baba.
Tapang.
Taba?
Tapang.
Taba.
Aywa, good luck Boy Tapang.
Good luck.
Boy Tapang.
I love you.
Oh yes.
Good Baba.
Yes. Okay. Shukran. Thank you. So Boy Baba. Boy Baba, Pero Boy Tapang, dahil niya Boy Tapang. So yun nakakatuwa lang kasi at least mapapakilala natin. Good luck kay Boy Tapang galing Riyadh. So eto na. So biyahero, i-send ko to sa'yo. Bahala ka na mag publish.